Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I do tech reviews, other tech related content, and monthly, sometimes weekly giveaways. We got one still going on from the other day. Check that out if you haven't. And I'm gonna go ahead and do another one today. Details on how to enter will be at the end of the video. So the OnePlus 6 was recently announced, and I've got mixed emotions. I'm extremely excited, but at the same time also heavily disappointed. Now in this video I just want to talk about the OnePlus 6, discuss the good, the bad, and the ugly. Come on, roll that intro. What's good, people? I'm Yeti Machete. Tech ain't easy. I'm here to help. Now obviously we're gonna jump into the good first, but before we do, all these thoughts and opinions are my own. I would love to know what you guys think of the OnePlus 6, what you like, what you don't. Drop me a comment. So the good. For one, the design here I feel is a step forward from previous flagships. While I do love the look of the OnePlus 6, for the most part, it's really nothing special, man. You take an iPhone X, you take an S9, slap them together, bam, you got this. For a while now, OnePlus has been following the design trend of Apple, and things are no different here. I mean, at first glance, it's very reminiscent of the iPhone X, with that inclusion of the notch, which, for the record, I wish wasn't there. Now, you can't hide it. There is software that adds a black bar, making it less pronounced. We also can see some S9 similarities with the rear camera layout. Now, something that I like here is that the notification slider has now been moved to the right side, just where everyone's thumb is about resting. Good job there. Also, fantastic job on the color choices. Now, right now we know of three: mirror black, midnight black, and silk white. All three really unique looking. The mirror black one can be mistaken for ceramic. Love the way it looks, man. However, I hate fingerprints, and if you hate them as much as me, you're gonna want to go for the other two, either midnight black or the silk white. Both have this matte finish, and at first glance you would have no idea that they're glass. They almost look like aluminum. Absolutely love both matte versions, man. And you know what? I think that this is the very first time that I've actually seen a matte finish on glass back phones. Now, the silk white one looks just beautiful, man, with the rose gold accents. Definitely has a unique look to it, though I do wish they offered the silk white with some gunmetal gray accents for the boys, man, because that rose gold leans a little towards the feminine side. We also get some minor improvements now to an already good camera. This time around they've added optical image stabilization, better low light performance. Now, lastly on the good is the display. We're getting an OLED panel here, so blacks are just pitch black, guys. The display itself is only 1080p, which kind of brings us into the bad. Now, I'm perfectly okay with an OLED 1080p panel. However, what I'm not okay with is some of the features that are lacking here that just straight up shouldn't be. I mean, since OnePlus went with a 1080p panel, that obviously means it's cheaper to manufacture. Now, I would have liked to see at the very least dual speakers added here, but unfortunately, what we are left with is a single down-firing speaker. Now, I haven't heard how good or bad it is, so I can't comment that much on it, but what I do know is that the OnePlus's base model comes in at around $530, and I can't help but feel like they kind of cheaped out here with the speakers. On to the ugly. We're getting a beautiful looking device here, man. Premium materials, good specs, and an all glass design. But what's that? No wireless charging. What? Now, trust me, I get it. There's other benefits to glass back phones. Signal improvement, feels more premium compared to the aluminum brothers. With that being said, I still think this is a huge bummer, man. I could have overlooked it maybe if they gave us a 1440p panel, but they didn't. And trust me, I get that we can't have everything. I really do. I wouldn't even be complaining if this phone maybe was priced, let's say, under $500. However, that's just not the case, and wireless charging has got to be my biggest disappointment here. With all that being said, and out of the way, I have to say that I like the direction that OnePlus is going. However, I would like to see either one, more features, or two, a price cut. Bring it back to where OnePlus started. You know, they used to be the budget kings, man, making a very hard to beat low range budget phone. But you know, now that we've seen that price just slowly creep up year after year, I would say that OnePlus is now battling within that mid-range tier of devices. So with all that said, I'm definitely feeling like the pros outweigh the cons here. And you know I'm gonna do my best to get my hands on that device for you guys for a full review. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about that giveaway, because I know you love free shit. I got a pair of true wireless earbuds that I reviewed not too long ago that I'm gonna give away. Now, I love jokes, so drop a comment down below. Best joke gets it. I'll announce the winner on my Twitter, so go ahead and make sure to follow me over there. Now, it's worth noting that the giveaway is for the US only. I also got another giveaway going on that I mentioned earlier. I'll link that up here. If you enjoyed the video, you already know what to do. Smack that like button. If you haven't yet, definitely check out some other content. Consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it greatly. I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one.